Hello, my name is Andreas Theisen from ELTRA, and today I would like to introduce the new ELTRA ONHp analyzer. This analyzer fulfills the requirements of not only analytical labs but also for process control because it's robust and straightforward design. The ELTRA ONHp is designed for analyzing the concentration of oxygen, nitrogen and hydrogen in metal samples. For doing this, we place the sample in a crucible and heat this crucible up to temperatures above 3000 degrees centigrade with energies up to 8.5 kilowatt. At these very high temperatures, the sample is melted and the solved gases are released, but also chemical bondings are cracked, so that we see the total concentration of hydrogen, oxygen and nitrogen in the sample. The released gases are carried to the detection system. For oxygen we use a solid-state infrared detector, and for nitrogen and hydrogen we use a thermal conductivity detector. With these detectors we are able to measure concentrations below 1 ppm up to the percentage range. The front door of the new ELTRA ONHp analyzer can be opened easily and can also be removed easily if you want to have a permanent control of the chemicals inside. These chemicals are needed to dry the carrier gas, and also inside we have now the catalyst furnace. The catalyst furnace, because this is inside the analyzer, has now a much more constant temperature than it had before, and it is needed to oxidize carbon monoxide to carbon dioxide before it is analyzed. For measuring a sample, we start with determining the mass of the sample on a balance, and by pressing F4 the mass is automatically sent to the software. After this, the sample is introduced in the sample loader, and by pressing F5 the analysis is started. The new Element software is not only an update but was completely newly developed. It has a fresh and user-friendly design and many new useful features like grouping samples, powerful regression functions and a very useful automatic segmented leakage test. After the sample is melted, the resulting gases are detected by the concentration detectors. In the new software, a special focus was placed on diagnosis and application tools like counters for consumables, the status of the sample port, and the status of analytical important parameters. From the area of the resulting peaks and the initial mass of the sample, the concentration can be calculated. The new ELTRA ONHp system now has a closed gas system to guarantee that all analyte is coming to the detectors. To introduce the sample in the closed gas system, from the sample loader we have a 3-lock system. First, the first lock turns and the sample is falling down in this part, and now we flush this part with the carrier gas. In the meantime, we heat up the crucible. When the crucible is at temperature and preheated, then we turn the lower 2 locks, and now the sample is falling down in the hot crucible. The lower crucible is a heat shield to prevent that during the preheating of the crucible, almost analyte is going from the metal sample outside with the carrier gas. We have an enhanced cooling system to guarantee that during 2 measurements the temperature is cooled down to room temperature again. I hope that this short video sequence gave you an insight in our new Elementric ONHp. If you would like to have more information, please visit our website ELTRA.com or send me an email to elementric@eltra.com. Thank you for your attention.